Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun unboxing to do with my April Boxycharm. Or is it Ipsy? I'm not sure. It says Ipsy on the box, but as far as I'm concerned, this is still Boxycharm. If you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a subscription box that costs under $30 a month. With the new combining of Ipsy and Boxycharm, you are able to choose all 5 of your full-sized items. This is a new experience for me. I have been with Boxycharm for, I would say, at least a year and a half now. This month was different, and I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I kind of like having that control, and at the same time, it's taking away a little bit of joy because I'm not getting the surprise. Either way, I forget half the time what I have chosen when I was able to choose the one, so I'm sure I've forgotten all 5. But today I did cheat a little bit and peek in my box to try to remember if I had picked any makeup items, and I did. So I have most of my face on. There is 2 makeup items in here that I am going to give my first impressions on, and I'm going to go over the rest of the items that I got in my box. I, of course, will have everything that is already on my face and the items that I received listed and linked for you in the description box, as well as all the information you need to know about the new Boxycharm Ipsy combination deal. So if you want to check out my unboxing, first impressions, try on, then just keep watching. I'm opening my box, and it's cute, the little papers they have in here. They have like little kind of confetti-y papers. The box is different. My old box was black. I got a flyer in here. Let me go ahead and read this. It says, Boxycharm by Ipsy. Same great subscription you'll know and love with more perks than ever. Gorgeous together. And then there's a whole big flyer that's going on in here. There's going to be epic deals, 24/7 insider access to the Ipsy shop, which I have checked out. I haven't taken advantage of it yet. Build your own box from the 2nd and 3rd of the month and discover 2 power picks we have selected for you. Then you get to choose the remaining 3 of your 5 full-size products to complete your box. You know exactly what you're getting before it even arrives. Very interesting. I will read this. And in the box, I'm going to start with the non-makeup items. The first thing here is from the brand Origins. This is the GinZing Into the Glow Brightening Serum. 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. This Into the Glow Brightening Serum visibly brightens dull skin infused with vitamin C and 5% retexturizing complex. It noticeably smooths skin and reduces the look of pores over time. This sounds fabulous. I do use serums in my skincare routine and will use this. This next product is from Eyelash. This is the Forchics Eyelash Enhancing Serum. If you're tired of short, thin, sparse, or expensive treatments, our lash serum is for you. It will revitalize hair follicle growth, recover from thinning lashes, plant botanicals, antioxidants, and amino acids, longer lashes in just 2 weeks. Retails for $49. I chose this one because I realized the other day that my new lash serum that I've been using for a few years now is old, and I'm wondering, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research, but I'm pretty sure that I read somewhere it might be expired. That was my concern. I am mostly happy with my lashes, but obviously we all want longer, fuller, thicker looking lashes, so I chose this. I fibbed. I have 3 makeup items in here. This is the Formula Z Unisexy Setting Spray. It says this soothing spray re-energizes dull, fatigued skin with an invigorating blend of nourishing botanicals, cool, refresh, set, tone, and hydrate skin in an instant mist on the face for a midday pick-me-up and to ease dryness and irritation. This is what it looks like. Pretty packaging. I want to smell it. Check out the spritzer. Smells nice. We'll get to this in a minute. Here we have the YC Collection Bold and Matte Eyeshadow Primer. Nude, transparent, makes shadow more vibrant. prevents creasing, lasts all day. I like the packaging, very pretty. And the last product that I have here, this is what I was most excited about. This is a palette from Natasha Denona. She has done this before. This is most likely a Boxy exclusive. They are calling this one the Alloy Eyeshadow Palette. I am not seeing this online except for on Ipsy. It's saying that it is a $48 value. Let me go ahead and swatch it really quick. It looks gorgeous. Here are the 5 shades. Stunning, creamy, one swatch, very happy. Let's go ahead and get started trying some of these products. I'm gonna put on some of this YC Collection Eyeshadow Primer. Just putting a little bit on my finger. It feels nice and smooth, not hard to blend, which I appreciate. Very nice. I have my AOA. This is the E128 brush. It's a little on the fluffy side. I'm going to start with this shade right here, and I'm going to start on the outer corner and just press in small circles. Beautiful. I'm going to wipe off any excess on this brush and just go over the edges to make sure that I have no harsh lines. I could even go into that, it's not cream, it's like a very light brown, and use that to go over the edges, but very, very lightly. Again, that whole half off of the color technique. Now I think I'm going to go into this deeper bronze. There's a more golden bronze, and then there is a more cool toned bronze, if you can see that. Gorgeous. I'm going to take my little e.l.f. Mint Melt Collection brush, and I'm going to go into that original shade and go underneath the eye. Really close to the lash line. Take a little bit of that deep shade and go into my outer corner, same Mint Melt brush. And just be very strategic, placing that deepest shade right there. Beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit of liner and mascara on, and I'll be right back and we'll test out that setting mist. Looks good. So value of the box, almost $200 in retail products for the 5 items that I got. Am I happy? Absolutely. My favorite products obviously are going to be this Natasha Denona palette. I think it is gorgeous. This is everyday comfort zone, good across different skin tones. Natasha's quality is the best. I just dropped the eyelash serum. I will keep you posted on that, as well as the Origins serum that I got. There's nothing that I'm disappointed with. Worth $30? Absolutely. Let me know if you picked the same box, if you are a Boxycharm member or Ipsy and was able to switch over into Boxycharm. I think they're all sort of blended now, which is cool. As I stated before, everything that I used will be listed in the description box below. What I got, what I already had on, what I added. Hopefully this was fun for you. I want to share what I got in the event you are curious, in the event you want to check out the box for yourself. I have boxes that I love more than others. I'm happy this month. I just hope that next month I get more information. This is like an ad newspaper. There's no information about the products. It's kind of a pain to look everything up. So Boxy or Ipsy, if you're listening, do that. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. I look forward to speaking with each of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.